Oh, that are sinking through like that. Well, heading out on the last morning here. The ice really went south yesterday, and a couple ATVs actually went through right out here. Changes quick when you have a couple of days of sunny and 55, almost 60 degrees. But the ice is still solid. We're just going to hike out here and find a couple holes from yesterday. No need to bring an auger. I think it got down to about 44 last night. Only one other group out right now. Set up just out here. Should be a good day. Well, there's the fun dogs. Nice to break off a little bit of the end. It gets those juices circulating down there. It's a nice little treat for Pete. Get the trailing hook on there. Get those trebles buried nice. You don't need a sink or anything with them. They go down pretty nice. There we go. Oh, it's spinning. Got the fun dog on this one. You want it? Been set up for about 5 minutes maybe.
I'm predicting a 20-incher.
Oh. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Oh. We got the two holes drilled side by side. Make it a little bit easier to get them up. It's close. It's a giant. It's a big pike, folks. What you want to watch for is when you get it close, you don't want to get the hooks on the hole. So you want to be very careful when they're getting close.
Oh shit, that's a fatty.
There's a big boy. Big girl, I should say.
Look at that. Nice
Beautiful fish. You can hit that top part. Alright, well we made a couple of marks so we can measure it out shortly. I don't like keeping them out of the water for very long. That was a nice, short, quick fight. And we'll send her back to the depths.
Nice.
Good start. Oh, there's a Pike. See, now that's a hot dog. Fish. She's a spinning. She's a spinning. She was. Big pike are coming through now. Uh-oh. Maybe rip that fun dog right off there. Or else it's stopped and it's consuming it. Yeah, and then maybe we'll just give it a chance itself. And let go. Oh yeah, when I looked it was spinning. It's close now. I'll let you reel it up. Maybe I'll come back and hit it. Give it a little action. Big pike like the fun dogs. A little action there. Nice that one too. Got it? Yeah, big one. And if it wants to run, just let it go. Because it likely will. Yeah, just put on the Mark Chestnut radio and
No.
Did it get off?
I don't know. No, it doesn't feel as big as you did at first.
Oh yeah, they can be tricky. Well, plus when you first set that hook when they're running like that.
Oh shit.
Nice one.
Just ran. Oh, there he is. Shit.
Is it big? Oh
Yeah.
fuck yeah. Nice and slow. like that. Yep. Little male. There. Oh wow! Holy crap! What's going on?
It was there.
Holy shit! Nice one.
It's hard to tell.
Oh, you're getting close. Very nice one. Oh, jambalaya! Yeah.
Back in, is it 35?
Yeah. Just grab my jigging stick. Oh yeah.